she likes, what she likes, and she could put it all on you, baby. If you bout that life, because you don't got time to choose it.
Hey tribe, it's Kia from Heritage 93, and today we're getting into a festive finesse. I had to bounce back with some rose gold realness for the closing of one year and the opening of the new one. Ready to watch? Let's get started. Okay, so I'll need a few things like my trusty base coat and the polish of choice. Rose gold is cute all year round, but she shines a special shine this season. But before I get to painting today, I've got to whisk the crustaces away with some good old hand cream. And now that my hands are moisturized, I'll lay on that base coat to help my nails stay on the bright side and give this pretty polish a good foundation to start. Next, I'm rolling in with the rose gold realness, but I needed Rosie to be a little realer with me, so I painted a second coat to keep things solid. At this point, I'm not wasting any time reaching for my white striper to really play up the festivities with some cool, chill designs. White striper is so key to finessing this nail art thing, commencing the nail by nail breakdown. So with Pinky, I'm thinking of two snowflakes separated by a tree branch that's also covered by snow. For ring finger, I'm channeling the most wispiest tree ever, drawing lash lines back and forth. Girl, this tree is slaying for real. For middle finger, I'm giving wrapping paper realness with the ribbons and a bow that's still in the works though. Moving on to pointer, who's making me think of white lights hanging from something at cute, artistic angles, so bam. Circling back to middle finger, I'm just gonna add this thick bow pushing the bounds of positive space in the composition, yeah. And now that the girls are dry, I'll give them a dose of some added glam with a shiny top coat. But I also went ahead and finessed the other side, channeling the implied shine of the new year. So yes, I hope you girls enjoyed this quick festive finesse type tutorial and found it helpful. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Be safe, happy holidays, and have a happy new year. I'll see you in the next one.